What a wonderful smile. Is this a smile that is a harbinger of good things on Dalal Street? We've had terrible first 6 months of trade. How are you watching sentiment? I hope this is a harbinger of good things.
नमस्ते शैल और आपके दर्शकों को भी नमस्ते. As far as the market is concerned, I mean, my view has been that overall the sentiment has been so negative. I mean, for the first time, I see my fellow fund managers no longer selling the India growth story. Abhi sab log risk ginwa rahe hain, everybody is enumerating the risks, and sentiment is a contra-indicator. So, this is not my opinion. This is research studies all across the world, not just India and US, but wherever they've been done on whichever continent, the conclusion is the same, that when sentiment is very negative, the next period returns are below normal. When sentiment is very positive, as it was for the first 8 months of, let's say, 2024, then the next period returns are below normal. It's a probability game. I'm not saying that I know what the index will be a year from now, but probability wise, it is that it should do better. In terms of the market itself, you would have noticed that the market breadth has been broadening. So
absolutely,
if you look at 2025, it was a very, very narrow market. So calendar 25, most of our Indian indexes were up 5-6% or so. But the average stock was down. The median stock was down. 40% of the stocks were down more than 10%. And in normal markets, you see something like a 40% stocks outperforming. At kind of one point in 2025, only 10 to 15% stocks were outperforming. It was that narrow. So now that that is expanding, which is a good sign. In terms of valuations, I don't think, if you go sector by sector, because there's no point looking at index valuation, because the index composition itself changes so much. You go back 20-25 years, the average at one point there weren't banks in the index. I mean, it's hard to believe now when they are the highest weightage. Or, PSUs at one point used to dominate. So if you look, but sector by sector, the valuations are not at extremes. So I don't see, big, and in many cases, they are below average. PE ratios of certain sectors are below average. Yes, Shah, you were saying.
What I agree with you completely is how the broadening of the market is happening. The kind of sectors that keep on popping up on a lot of statistical methods is very, very surprising at a time when, pretty much everybody in India and in the rest of the world has written an obituary for Dalal Street that nothing much is expected here, and money will flow out, and we are to be blamed for our own ills and sorrows, so on and so forth. We've seen this time earlier, and this too shall pass. But what are you making out specifically of this broadening of the market? What could be the possible reasons?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share, and subscribe.